Hey guys, it's time for another Funky Friday. Today I got a beautiful R&B fill from the late great Bobby Womack. This is on his tune Harry Hippie, and this is in the key of E, and basically the chord progression is a 1-6-4-5 in the key of E, E, C sharp minor, A, and B. But this lick is only over the E going to the C sharp minor. We're starting here at the 7th fret on the B and the high E string. I'm going to play that with my 3rd and 4th finger, and then we're going to hit that and kind of actually pull it off, but it's actually more of a hammer-on because you're trying to do this. And you're trying to get these two notes to sound without picking them. Now you could also play it up here at the 11th, 12th fret, and then move to a barred index finger there at the 9th fret. So you could do it either way. I'm going to play it down here. And then from there, you're going to go back to the 7th fret, hit it again, and then slide it up to the 9th fret. So it's like this. So that's all over that E chord. And then when the C sharp minor change comes, you're going to go to this, which is a B and a D sharp. Hit that and slide out of it downwards. End up back at the 7th fret. Hit that twice. So it's... Do that thing moving down to the 5th and 4th fret again. And then back to end the lick at the 7th fret again. So here is the entire lick very slowly. Again, 1, change. Now, like I said earlier, you could play it here and it might be a little bit easier. Anyways, over the time. One more time. Anyways, it's a really beautiful R&B fill. For a 1 to a 6 minor. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you next week, guys.